ako'y buloy. Huwag mo nang itanong sa akin. Hallelujah, hallelujah.
Pero ngayong Sabado, acoustic version naman tayo! Kakaibang acoustic jamming ngayong Sabado!
Bukas na yan ang mga hit songs na pinakasumikat na OPM bands. Gagawin nating acoustic!
Sino-sino kakanta?
Ito na ang mga kakanta niyan. Unang-una na, acoustic pinag-uusapan.
Kasama ba ako?
Aiza Sigera.
Ako,
Ano ba yan?
Sa iba na lang tayo.
Si Princess. Oh, meron pa.
Meron pa.
Sabrina, Stephanie, at ang kasamang Dapper Cats muli! Si Julia.
Ikaw pala eh! Bukas yan! At mamaya naman, may matinding kantahan din tayo with Maria Aragon!
Pero bago tayo makising along sa kanya, mag-shembot muna tayo with our Dapper Cats sa studio!
Dapper Cats?
Sa regalo!
Ang
Bag na ito!
Ano ba yan?
Ay, naku naman!
Go, Alan K!
Mauna na ako kasi nga, grabe ito mga kasama ko. Galing sa Toronto, Canada, the Violino Family! Malamig na ba? Hindi pa naman. Sa Toronto, hindi pa naman. Eto, from Alberta, Canada! Ano ba meron sa Canada? Para naglayasan kayo lahat. The Apple Family! Etong malamig, grabe dyan. The Soliman Family from California, US of A! Kung Chicago ako, Chicago din sila! The Corpus Family! Ayun sa taas, oh. Hindi luma yan. New yan. New Jersey, USA. Sarmiento Family. Welcome sa Itbulaga. Pauline, ano meron dyan?
Ang layo naman ang tingin mo, andito lang ako sa baba, Alan K. Meron din ako mga kasamang balikbayan. Unahin na natin from Hyogoken, Japan. Andyan ang Tanaka Family! At galing ng Japan, lumipad naman tayo papuntang UAE. Andito ang Oliveras Family from Dubai. Aba, akalain nyo kasama nila ang kanilang kapitbahay, ang Gonzalez Family from Dubai din. Lumayo-layo tayo ng konti. Andito ang Vicente Family. Ay, Dubai din! Sige na nga, galing din ng Dubai. Andito ang Aison Family. Ruby Rubes, sino bang mga kasama mo diyang mga Dapper Cats?
Hindi magpapahuli mga Dapper Cats nating Excursionistas! Uunahin ko na dito ang mga taga-barangay Tanzana, Botas City! Andito rin ang mga taga-barangay Mabulo, Naik, Cavite! Sino naman ang kasama mo? Iza na anak ni Lito! Eto na nga! Kasama ko naman dito, Maring Ruby, ang mga Dapper Cats na excursionista mula sa barangay 177, Gagalangin, Tondo, Manila! At syempre, marami pang nakikisa sa atin today. Julia, sino pang mga kasama mo today?
Nako naman, Isa, hindi magpapahuli. Ang mga Dapper Cats natin, sumishembot na taga-barangay Tunsuya, Malabon! Welcome po sa inyong lahat, mga excursionista at balikbayan. At pagkatapos sumembot, magkantahan naman tayo. Eto na nga siya! Isang Canadian Pinay na 11 years old pa lang. Pero, napapanood na ng buong mundo ang YouTube video niyang Born This Way. Kaya ladies and gentlemen, to sing her version of Price Tag, please give it up for Maria Aragon!
Seems like everybody's got a price. I not about the money, money, money. We don't need your money, money, money. We just wanna make the world dance. Forget about the price tag. Ain't about the cha-ching, ain't about the bubbling, bubbling. Wanna make the world dance. Forget about the price tag. La 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 la. Hey, la 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 la. Hey, la 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 la. Hey, price tag. Sing it. La 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 la. Hey, la 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 la. Hey, la 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 la. Hey, price tag. It's not about the money, money, money. We don't need your money, money, money. We just wanna make the world dance. Forget about the price tag. Ain't about the cha-ching, ain't about the bubbling, bubbling. Wanna make the world dance. Forget about the price tag. Thank you.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, Maria Aragon.
Thank you.
Hi there.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm very good. Thank you.
Good.
Come, stand up with us so we can see the difference in height. Because I'm in heels, but I'm still short. Hi, Maria.
Hello.
Come, stand here in the middle. You're the special guest. So, honey, how does it feel to be a worldwide YouTube sensation at 11?
It feels amazing. I've been really blessed, and I want to thank you all. You guys are so beautiful and amazing. So thank you.
Maria, I'd like to ask if you have any upcoming shows or guestings.
Actually, later today I'll be at the Yang Constantino concert at the Allure Theater. It's gonna be at 8 p.m. tonight, so hopefully you guys can catch up to that. I'm gonna be singing with her, and hopefully I can give you a really good performance. I'm gonna be doing the Global ANCOP Walk, and about it is the money from it goes towards children, so it helps them go to school. And it's gonna be at August 21 at the Mall of Asia grounds at 5 in the morning. So it's going to be early, but it's for a good cause so that we can help the poor children go to school. And yeah.
And Maria, I heard that you're gonna have an album coming up.
Well, my album is going to be under Star Records, and it's going to have songs like Born This Way. Gonna have...
Yeah, that's your hit. That's your first hit.
And it's gonna have You're My Home by Lea Salonga, Kung Bubuksan Mo Lang Ang Puso.
And do you have any original songs?
We have Kung Bubuksan Mo Lang Ang Puso.
Cute.
You're so cute. Thank you. I haven't wrote any songs on the album, but hopefully I'll start to get to write and make the songs better for you and actually come from my heart. And yeah, but the album's gonna be really good. It's gonna be coming out sometime in August, so stay tuned.
We will, honey. But
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Maria, at 11, even if you haven't written your own song yet, you have touched so many Filipinos, and you are helping children in the Philippines already. That's already a big thing for an 11-year-old. So,
Thank you.
kudos.
Time.
honey.
Thank you
Good
very
job.
much. Thank you very much, Maria.
Aragon. Okay, sa pagbabalik naman po ng Pinoy Henyo, ay pagbabalik po ng Eat Bulaga, Pamilyang Pinoy Henyo! Thank you! Salamat, Maria Aragon!
Sa barangay, rarampa ngayong Sabado. At may mga pambato pa silang dabarkad sa magpapagalingan sa talento. Team Paolo B and Team Wally B. Rarampa, maghaharap na